How to add product categories and subcategories on your Shopify store. From the left hand side, we will choose products, and once this loads, from the drop down menu we will select collections here. So if we want to create categories and subcategories, we will choose just button to create collection, and here you can type out your categories name. So for example, I'm going to do shoes, and you can say the best summer shoes here. So for the collection type or the category type, you can do manual, so you can add the products yourself, or automate it if you have it set up, but I am going to leave it as manual. And we can also add an image to our category by pressing on this add image button here, and the default collection theme template. So once we have this set up, we will click on save. And now if we go back to our collections, we will be able to see this as a category. So if we want to add products, we will just click on it here and we will search for products. So search for the products that you want to add to your category. Here I have this product, I will select it, click on add, and it's going to appear as active here. And again, we just want to view it. If we press on it here, then it will look like this. So categories, so we have shoes, the best summer shoes, and this is our product as an example. So I hope this helps you out. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.